It would give us a fact-based evidence about what is actually happening, and we could see, like, based on the researches that have happened, we could actually know the research gap, where we need to put our, maybe the financial resources, where the scientists need to work together to bring a particular solution. So I think it would be very helpful for the country as a whole in the agriculture scenario.
Evidence synthesis and systematic review is quite new in agriculture sector. So we bring this knowledge with the help of CABI and Juno. We see a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of interest from the local researchers. So there are 55 researchers representing in the two big universities, Tribhuvan University and Kathmandu University, and people from Extension and the Nepal Agriculture Research Council. If they have the capacity to do that, this will be the big turning point in agriculture research system in Nepal. I and my students, they learn a lot about evidence synthesis and the systematic review.
I could see the bigger picture about what the data has meant and how much it would be used in the decision-making process. I think it's the same for the country as well, because we would understand what the current situation actually is based on data and not just on random hypothesis.